Hi Strike customers, James here from Assembly, just showcasing the new iPhone 15 Pro Cradle. So this is with the Strike clear case. So Apple have now changed to USB-C, as you can see. There it is docking. This Cradle comes with USB-C to USB-C for fast charging. It also comes with a built-in passive antenna, which is paired with our B2 or B3 range. This is available in a couple different mounting options, one being the DIY with the windscreen mount, how it is now, or also the professional install, which is a swivel mount that also comes with the DC-DC, which needs to be hardwired by an auto electrician. These Cradles are now available on www.strike.com.au.